Hello friends, welcome to DP Tutorials. In this tutorial, let us learn how to apply conditional formatting to a pivot table. This is the sample pivot table I have generated using a data range. Let us apply a 3-colored conditional formatting to the values now. First of all, select any of the cells in this amount column. Go to Home tab. Under the Style section, Conditional Formatting, click on this New Rule. You will get a pop-up window to apply conditional formatting to the pivot table. You have 3 different options to apply conditional formatting in the pivot table. Select the third option, that is, all cells showing amount values for pin code. In Edit the Rule Description, select 3-colored scale. Change type as % for minimum, midpoint and maximum. After that, you can choose a color for all 3 as per your desire. Once you're done, click OK. It is done now. Using this conditional formatting, you can easily analyze data and compare the values between the different metrics. You can also make this conditional formatting dynamic, like if you add a slicer of year field. Now whenever you filter values using this slicer like this, it will automatically get updated with the change along with the conditional formatting. Got it, friends? So friends, this is all about how to apply conditional formatting to a pivot table. You can use this feature in your dashboards very easily so as to highlight your data. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe DP Tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.